One of the best ways to make money in cryptocurrency is to get ahead of airdrops and qualify for them before they're a big deal. We have got 3 easy ones to qualify for in today's video, and they could make you thousands of dollars. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie. This is Altcoin Buzz. Now, whether you choose to invest or not, we hope this video is informative to you. Just remember, it is not financial or investment advice. Don't forget also that for a limited time, our Altcoin Buzz access group is free for you to check out as part of a trial. And with that, you're going to get access to our great weekly update reports on the state of the crypto market and on NFTs. That comes from our outstanding research team. You can try them out for free and check out the reports either by clicking the link in the description or the one that is popping up right now on your screen. All right, getting right into airdrop number 1, we are beginning with Metamask, which has unfortunately been in the spotlight recently for all the wrong reasons. Let's talk about some of those. So Consensus developed Metamask, and Consensus has been in the spotlight recently because they just have come out, they updated their privacy policy actually, and it's come to everybody's attention that they collect a lot of information from their users, particularly user IP addresses. However, they claim that they have always been doing this, which, to be honest, I don't really know if that's a good thing. Like, bad news of that sort comes out and they say, oh, it's okay, we've been doing it retroactively as well. In my opinion, it's not a good thing. We're going to have a YouTube short coming up on the subject. We'll take a look at how you can prevent MetaMask from collecting that personal information. But let's pivot now into some of the good reasons and talk about that upcoming airdrop. So Joseph Lubin, who is the co-founder of Ethereum and the founder of Consensus, he started the rumors with this tweet in particular. But how can you actually claim the airdrop for Mask or for whatever the token is going to be called? Let's have a look. First of all, in case you don't have a MetaMask account yet, set one up. It's easy. Follow all procedures and back up the seed phrase. Make swaps on their platform as well if you can. Go to the portfolio site, which is shown here, portfolio.metamask.io, and use their bridge. You can send funds to the BNB chain, Polygon, or Avalanche, and you can swap up to $10,000 for free. Make swaps on as many chains as possible. Just keep in mind that each transaction will cost you around $3. Go to Gitcoin grants. We're on gitcoin.co/grants here, and donate at least $10 because Consensus owns Gitcoin. And so realistically, this could very well be a qualification for upcoming airdrops. And here's a suggestion specifically for developers. You can register with Infura because Consensus operates them. So fill out a form and join their Discord. Now, it's not 100% guaranteed that there will even be a MetaMask airdrop. However, some websites have mentioned that the potential drop could be worth between $500 and $5,000. There is a high demand for the token, and the app has a lot of high usage already. So for a handful of dollars, it may well be worth giving it a try and getting ahead of this opportunity. And if you've been a longtime user of MetaMask like myself, I'm actually very curious to know whether the recent privacy information that's been shared, i.e. the collection of IP addresses, whether that's been enough to get you to stop using it, or do you not care? Is this a big deal to you one way or the other? Curious to hear your feedback. Let us know your thoughts about that in the comments below. Next up, and at airdrop number 2, we're looking at Rage Trade, which is an omni-chain ETH perpetual swap. They actually call themselves the most liquid and composable swap with 10x leverage. By the way, guys, a link to all 3 potential airdrop websites is going to be found in the description below, so check that out. But with regard to Rage, they have omni-chain recycled liquidity and 80/20 vaults for yield generation. They build on Arbitrum. That was actually another airdrop we discussed not too long ago. Going back to Rage, they don't yet have a token, but word is that a token launch is imminent, and so early users could very well expect an airdrop, and you may qualify if you either traded or staked on the Rage Trade platform. Okay, so that being said, how can you become part of this potential airdrop? Well, visit their app, first of all, app.rage.trade. Connect an Arbitrum wallet, and MetaMask will also do. You can also open a small leverage trade on ETH perpetuals. Now, this should qualify you for a Rage Trade airdrop, providing, of course, there will be an airdrop, which I can't necessarily guarantee, but, it's likely in my opinion. That's the case with all airdrops. They're all potential, they're all hypothetical, but we're trying to get ahead of these, including the next one, by the way. That's going to be Sturdy Finance. And Sturdy has a new approach to lending. So they offer interest-free borrowing and supplement this with high-yield lending. They're doing this by staking the collateral from the borrowers into other DeFi protocols. So for example, Yearn, Convex, Lido, And then with the earned rewards, they can pay interest to depositors, and their total value locked is currently $20 million. Once again, and like some of the others here, they don't have a token, but an airdrop is likely, not guaranteed, but likely. And to qualify for that potential airdrop, it's actually pretty easy. So first of all, visit their app. We're on app.sturdy.finance. Then connect your Phantom wallet. F-Wallet is the official Phantom wallet. However, MetaMask or any other ETH wallet will also work. And then either deposit or borrow assets on the platform. And that's it. Another pretty easy way to secure a potential airdrop. No need to use bridges or wait for transactions to complete. And look, again, in full transparency, none of this is guaranteed. These are all hypothetical airdrops, but this is not our first rodeo. This is kind of representative of the actions that we've taken in the past to qualify for previous airdrops, many of which, of course, have been very successful and have been very rewarding for honestly pretty minimal work. So genuinely best of luck if you choose to get involved in these potential airdrops. Just remember, it's not officially financial or investment advice. Check out once again for a limited time our Altcoin Buzz access group, which is free for you to check out. And while checking it out, you're also going to get weekly access to our reports, which cover the state of the crypto market and NFTs. They come from our outstanding research team. You can try them out now for free. Check out the link in the description below.